are looking for a simple, quick, and easy crock pot recipe, then I have just the recipe for you today. It is potato soup using hash browns instead of potatoes, and it tastes delicious. So let's get busy cooking. Recipe, all you need are 3 cans of chicken broth, and I got the Swanson, that was the only brand that they had. And then 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. And then you will need 1 package of shredded hash browns and 1 cube of cream cheese. So these are all the ingredients you need. This recipe is definitely not keto friendly or diet friendly, but it's kind of nice to have on a cold winter night or just when you need to do something quickly. So like with all slow cooker recipes, all you do is just put the ingredients in, and the slow cooker over the day takes care of everything else. So I'm just adding the ingredients. I am using my Pampered Chef can opener that I have had forever, and I love how it works, and it takes the whole lid off, and it's just fun to use. You will notice as you add the ingredients that the soup starts to look very clumpy because you're adding things like the cream cheese and the hash browns, but that's okay because you're going to cook it for about 6 hours on low, or you could cook it for about 3 hours on high and stir it a few times, and then when it's ready the clumps will not be there anymore. So I just kind of want to show you what it looks like, so don't panic when you see it looking like this because it does not look like this when it is finished. It is a few hours later, and I just got home from dinner with a friend. One of my really close friends just finished chemotherapy about a week and a half ago, and she called me up and she had an appetite, and so I was more than happy to go and eat with her. So only one person is going to be eating tonight, and that is my husband. So I hope that he enjoys the soup, and I am just chopping some things, making some easy microwave bacon, just some toppings for the soup. I always find it easier to clean as I prep, so I'm just going to put on some music and you can watch me prep and clean. You hear them calling, shouting your name, turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep, and you are colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
So this is what it looks like when it is ready to eat, and it is so delicious. Trust me, it is fabulous. So now I'm just going to put on some more music and show you how I clean up after dinner.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the
Thank you so much for watching, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. See you in the next one.